Hey, and welcome to this GPT Dash review. So I'm really excited because I just found out about this product and I was so happy to go ahead and get access to it. And when I say access, I went and purchased this myself. Okay. So I went and got the agency and I also got, well, the first end, but the agency is what's going to give you everything. So real quick, let me just go over this real quick. This is the sales page. This is the first page that you're going to go ahead and land on. If you click the little link in the description below, and pretty much this is amazing. Now, I was pretty much still on the edge of getting into AI, and I know everybody's hopping on, but the thing is that what are the prompts that's needed? What all you got to go ahead and do as far as talking back and forth with the machine, and the AI. And so this product right now, let me tell you, pretty much eliminates all of this guesswork that you might have to go ahead and put in. As long as you have what you see here, like a sales page, or you have an idea of what the product is that you're going to be promoting, you're good to go. All right. So let me just show you. So like I said, I bought everything. I bought the upsell because this is going to truly save me time in writing. Any promotional emails, scripts, anything that I want to go ahead and do. All I have to do is type in a couple of things as far as what I wanted to say, and we're off to the races. So let's jump right back into the back end so I can really show you the power of this thing. So this right here looks like this on my end because I picked up everything. I got everything as far as that's needed. So you only need two things. So it's the first end part and you need the second end part. And the second end comes with you're being able to write ebooks and reports. You get the SEO tool so you can go ahead and it shows your demonstration. There's a video for each one. You get rewriting content. That's big because now you don't have to really go to Fiverr or anywhere to go ahead and start rewriting your content. Then you get the product description. This is perfect. There's a video right here. You also can take the description of your product, if that's physical or digital. Take that, put it into this dashboard, and it'll write your script for you. All right, what else? Articles and posts, and writing letters, and what else? Writing your podcast. This is pretty good here. Squeeze pages. You really want to do that. So writing advertisement, and let me see, customer service shortcuts. And so this is pretty much giving you just generated shortcuts that you can go ahead and put in as prompts. But this is phenomenal. Now this right here is going for $77. Now I'm showing you this, and I know this is probably not the typical review that you're probably used to, but here's the thing. There is a time limit on it. So before I go to the time limit, let me show you what you're getting on the front end. The front end, you're getting the email writing, you're getting social posts writing, product review writing, the sales letter, video scripts, and doing research. Now this is super powerful. I'm gonna stop right here because I want to let you know, if you're able to go ahead and let's say you're going into a new niche and you have a product and you're not sure on what your competition is doing, this will give you an idea of what your ideal customer is looking for. All right. That's super powerful because that cuts down your research curve tremendously. Instead of you going looking on all the different products that might be selling in that niche, looking at different YouTube videos or just looking across the web, looking for different products that might be related in that niche. This right here cuts that learning curve in your research in half. And then it just tells you, hey, look, this is what these people are looking for. You get this on the front end. This is similar to doing your research, but this is like finding your niche now. So like if you have a product already that you're trying to promote, you can go ahead, type in the prompts and like, hey, look, I'm trying to promote this product. You're good to go. All right, what's next? And then it has the image generator. So it'll show you like you You just follow the prompts, put it in what you're looking for, and you're going to get images like this. Now, this is all on the front end. This is the sales page. So you'll be able to go ahead and look at all of this, right? And I just want to show you, though, that there is a timer on there, right? So as of right now, you can pick this up for $17. For the price is a steal. All right, so let me just show you on the back end. So what's most important to a lot of people right now, if you're just coming online or you've been online, is writing emails or doing some type of video YouTube scripts, right? If you can get those done, that cuts your time in half, and that gives you back so much time, right? So let's do this. Let's write a video script for our product. Now I'm showing you on the back end, this is what you're going to get on the inside. So you got digital products, physical products, short advertisements, explainer tutorials, right? Informational announcements. You got the YouTube, TikTok, shorts, right? Sales, Facebook ads. I'm telling you, this particular product, I'm just super happy to be excited to be giving it and showing it to you right now, because when I saw it, I was like, this is like been hiding somewhere. I don't know where, but here, let's get right to it. Digital product, right? Let's go ahead and write a review for this product right now, right? So this is Dash. The type of product it is digital, right? Yeah, here we go. And the audience, I did write a little bit, so let's go with this. People who want to use AI in their online business. Okay, that's all of us right here, right? Because that's what you're looking at. So let's generate. Now, I must mention that you do have to go ahead and open up a free account over at Chat GPT to go ahead and get you a AI key, so that this software pretty much talks with the AI, and that's it. And then all you have to do is come in, put these prompts in, and that's it. All right. Now, I'm not going to read all of this, but let me just show you this. It says the opening shot of the person typing on their computer. Now, look, this is the digital product that we're doing. So we're talking about this product right now, and this is a video script. So, and it's telling you what images or what you should be showing when you're doing your video, and then it just goes right into it. Now, I'm not going to read all of this, but this is a good video script right here. All right. Now, you can pause this if you want so you can read it yourself, but this is phenomenal. How much time did that just save you, right? And anything that seems a little off or maybe goes probably a little bit against what the product that you're promoting is, then you just go ahead and change it. So you can download it as a text file to your computer, or you can just copy and paste it, put it to somewhere else, another writing pad or whatever, and just there you go. But I'm telling you right now, this saves you time. So let's do another one. Let's go back and let's go to the dashboard. All right, so now we got a video script. Let's do the email. So to save you time, because all you got to do is go ahead, click on it, and then we're going to go ahead and choose product and service. Or you can do educational information, but we're doing product and service. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. All right, so just to save you time, I went on ahead and just filled out everything real quick. So I want you to see this. Everything is already filled out. And these are the simple things that you can just fill out right away. No problem, right? And I went on ahead, just clicked it so you can see. So this is what was brought back to me. This is your email. Now, this doesn't take long at all. And I'm super excited because this hit the nail right on the coffin. Like, this is the thing that you need right now. Like, this is going to save you so much time. All right. So like I said, I'm super excited. I'm glad that this product is out, because now you don't have to go straight to AI the chat GPT to go ahead and put your prompts in, then coming back and forth, copy and paste and everything. Everything is right here on this GPT Dash. So I just wanted to show you that. And once again, you want to go to this page. The link is below. Get here now, because I don't know how much longer they're going to have this sale before it goes up to $197. They're saying it's 10 hours left on it. So I'm just trying to get it out to you as fast as possible, because I think you need this in your business if you're trying to go ahead and save time. This is going to be a time saver for you. All right. And also, once you get this part here, remember, after you get this, so just make sure that you go ahead and you grab the upsell or the upgrade. And the upgrade on your investment today is going to give you access to all of this other stuff here. And that price is $77. These are the only two things you need. You get that and you're good to go. All right. I hope this helps you. Thanks. Talk to you soon.